In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch YouTube on your TV using Roku, whether you want to stream videos, music, or even use voice search. It's a simple setup and works great for anyone who uses Roku as their main streaming device. First, grab your Roku remote and head to the Roku home screen. Scroll down to the channel store at the bottom of the menu. Use the search function to look up YouTube, then select the official YouTube app published by Google. Click Add Channel, and Roku will automatically download and install it for you. Once installed, go back to the home screen and open the YouTube app. Sign in with your Google account, and you'll have full access to your subscriptions, playlists, and recommendations, just like on your phone or computer. You can browse by category, search for specific videos, or even use voice commands if your Roku remote has a built-in microphone. Just press and hold the microphone button, say something like "Open YouTube" or "Play cooking videos," and Roku will do the rest. If you ever want to cast YouTube from your phone to your Roku TV, just open the YouTube app on your mobile device, tap the cast icon, and select your Roku TV from the list. Thanks for watching. If this helped you get YouTube working on your Roku TV, drop a comment below and let me know what kind of videos you're watching first. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy streaming tips. See you next time.